Let's analyze weekly profitability by combining data from Shopify and Looker. First, import order data and line item data from Shopify. Now import Looker inventory data. Use the formula builder to sum the total revenue from the line items tab. Now let's add the inventory data to the line items tab so that we can sum total inventory cost. Lastly, calculate profit. To see weekly profitability, let's add week numbers to the line items tab. Use the pivot builder to visualize profit on a weekly basis. Then use the same profit formula for the weekly table.